You ever feel like something's off, but you can't quite put your finger on it? Like one minute, she's all smiles and affection, and the next she's withdrawn, distant, and cold. And you're left pacing around the house wondering what the hell you even did wrong? Yeah, you're not alone. Hey fellas, listen up. It's time we start talking about something most men never get warned about. See, society loves to point fingers at men. You're the manipulator. You're the liar. You're the heartbreaker. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Some women, not all, but some, are masters of psychological warfare, experts at twisting emotions and rewriting the narrative. And most men, we're too focused on fixing, pleasing, and providing to even notice it happening until it's too late. So today, I'm pulling back the curtain. Here are 6 dark manipulation tactics women use to gain control over men, and how you can spot and avoid them before you lose your peace, your power, and your mind. 1. The withdrawal tactic. Voice lowers, slow and deliberate. She suddenly stops talking, stops texting back, gives you the cold shoulder, and you are sitting there spiraling. Did I forget her birthday? Was it something I said? Did I mess up and not realize it? You don't even know what you did wrong, but somehow you're already apologizing for it. Let me tell you something. That's not love. That's leverage. See, women know that men, especially good-hearted, loyal men, go into fix-it mode when their woman pulls away. So they use that silence, that distance, as a weapon. It keeps you guessing, keeps you walking on eggshells, keeps her in control. And the worst part? She's probably sitting there, watching you scramble, smiling to herself while you try to fix a problem she never even explained. 2. Mirroring. Will you ever meet a woman, and it's like she's perfect? She loves the same music. She's into your hobbies. She laughs at all your jokes. She even shares your goals, dreams, and outlook on life. Feels like fight, right? Nah, that's mirroring. It's a tactic where someone studies you, copies your vibe, and pretends to be the perfect match until they get what they want. See, it's not about connection. It's about access to your wallet, your time, your energy, your loyalty. She mimics what you want until she has your heart. Then, she flips the script. And by the time you realize she was acting, you're already hooked. 3. Guilt tripping. This one's brutal because it preys on your character. Most men, we want to make our woman happy. We take pride in providing, protecting, and pleasing. And she knows that. So she turns it into a treaty. You notice something's off. Maybe she's texting some guy on the side. Maybe her story doesn't add up. And when you bring it up, boom, waterworks. You don't trust me. You're so insecure. You're always looking for a fight. Now you're the bad guy, even though your gut told you something's wrong. Before you know it, you're apologizing for overreacting, and she's back in the clear, guilt-free, while you're gaslit into silence. Let me be clear. A woman who uses guilt to avoid accountability isn't emotional. She's manipulative. 4. The hot and cold-minded. One day, she's all over you. Texts blowing up your phone, wants to see you every second, says she can't stop thinking about you. Next day, radio silence. Her texts turn to one-word replies. She's busy. She suddenly needs DCs. And you're left wondering, what the hell just happened? Now you're chasing flying. You're texting more, calling more, maybe buying gifts, planning dates, trying to win her back. But she's not gone. She's baiting you. That hot and cold cycle is designed to create addiction, a dopamine loop. Affection, withdrawal, affection, withdrawal. Until you're hooked. That's not love. That's psychological warfare. 5. Peer suggestion. She never asks you to buy anything. She just says things like, OMG, I saw these heels online and I'm obsessed. I've never had a man buy me flowers before. I just think it's so romantic when a guy plans surprise. She's not asking, but she's planting the seed. And like clockwork, you find yourself pulling out your wallet, ordering gifts, planning trips, bending over backwards, not because she demanded it, but because she implied it. That's the power of suggestion. She's not requesting, she's programming. And if you're not careful, you'll mistake it for being a good man, when in reality, you're just being managed. 6. Love bombing. This one's the most dangerous. It feels like a dream at first. Day 1, you're so handsome. Day 2, we have so much in common. Day 3, I never fall this fast. Day 4, I think we're meant to be. Day 5, I love you. It's fast, it's intense, it's intoxicating. She makes you feel like you're the one, the dream man. Like every moment with her is destiny. But guess what? It's not real. It's called love bombing. A manipulative strategy where she floods you with affection to just drop your guard and lock you in. Because once she has your trust, the real motives come out. Control, access, power. And by then, you're so emotionally invested, you can't even walk away. So what can you do? You stay grounded. You pay attention, not just to her words, but to her patterns. You learn to walk away from manipulation, not explain yourself to it. You stop rewarding silence with gifts. You stop chasing attention with apologies. You stop letting your heart overrule your instincts. Because real love, it doesn't manipulate. It doesn't guilt trip. It doesn't manage to control you. And any woman who uses these tactics, she's not your soulmate. She's your lesson. So stay sharp, stay centered. And if you see the signs, call it out or walk away. Because a woman who plays mind games with your heart doesn't deserve a place in your life.